You wanna know his secret?
What up guys, welcome back to the Cody Project, and on today's video we're going to be doing a review on the new Milwaukee Fuel battery powered weed eater. Oh yeah, and if you know anything about Milwaukee, their battery powered shit is badass. Whoop whoop. Let's get the show on the road. Alright guys, so I had to lay it on the ground for you because it's a pretty big item, but this is what you'll get in your kit. You'll get the Milwaukee Fuel M18 weed eater. It's actually the full size, pretty awesome. You'll get an extra thing of line. And also, it already comes with line in it. It already comes with a full roll. You don't even have to put it in there. And it's honestly pretty easy change out as well. You'll get the chuck, another adapter. It's for the handle to move it up and down. Of course, you'll get the owner's manuals, new products coming up. So it comes in this box. And then you'll get the charger and a battery. This is actually the new rapid charger, and look, green. I got it charged for you already, so I can do a demonstration on how long the battery lasts. And then you also get the new battery. It's a new M18 red lithium HD 9.0. Pretty awesome battery. Charged. I'm gonna go ahead and show you again so you don't think I'm messing around. Oh yeah, fully charged. Alright, I'm going to show you a couple settings it has, or features I guess. You have the safety trigger, regular handle pull. You have the turtle and rabbit speed. Make it go faster or slower. It's honestly pretty even weight, but it is a full size weed eater, so that's pretty cool. Test it out. Yeah, and that's on turtle speed right now, guys. Pretty awesome. I haven't even turned it to rabbit yet. Look at that. Pretty awesome, guys. Pretty freaking awesome. Oh yeah. See that section? Just for the heck of it, let's see what the battery's at. Oh yeah, still 4 bars. This bad boy can do some damage. And also, I wanted to mention that it comes out just like a normal weed eater, where you press it against something and then it'll come out. But you just have to tap the ground, it will do that. Oh yeah, look at that. Three batteries, and I just finished the backyard. Go to the front yard. But first, let's test what rabbit speed can do. Oh yeah. Rabbit speed for you, baby. Sorry, neighbors. All right, let's see what we got. Put it back on turtle. Honestly, I've used turtle the whole backyard. I haven't even needed to use rabbit yet. All right, let's continue on. Alright guys, so basically I already did the front and backyard. We're gonna go ahead and go to the alley, put it on rabbit speed, see what this bad boy can do. I've still only used one bar doing the front and backyard. So let's put it to the test. Alright, rabbit speed, rabbit's on. Oh yeah. Alright guys, did the front the back, the alley. 3 bars, baby. Only used 1 bar. That's awesome. Milwaukee for the win. Whoop, whoop. Alright guys, I just finished mowing the front yard, the backyard, and the alley. I tried turtle, rabbit speed out. I only ended up wasting 1 bar of battery. It's pretty awesome results. Just wanted to say Milwaukee product is one of the best that I've dealt with, so I knew the weed eater had to be good. And also, I just do these reviews for the normal person. I'm gonna tell you straight up what I like, what I don't like. Anyway, the total kit is around $300. And as always, like, subscribe, comment, do what you do. Peace, guys.